What paint? Product features, brand. Can't you see? No. Oh, can't you see? No. That's when you know I'm getting ready to start. Are you interested in learning more information about Air Power? Please visit us at airpower-usa.com. On that website, you will find case studies, news articles, product features, brand information, vendor partners, videos, podcasts, and goodness gracious, one of the most amazing e-commerce stores you've ever seen is coming right around the corner. So you will find all of that at that website. You can contact us with any questions at 1-800-334-1001. And in the meantime, you can browse all your favorite social media channels and check out Air Powers. We're posting daily onto social media. We have a lot of features on social media that will also lead you back to larger features, such as the Air Power Airwaves podcast, Air Power Live videos, where we do training videos with specific equipment, specific processes. So you can find those at YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. And we look forward to having you join us. Again, 1-800-334-1001 with any questions. And remember, manufacture it a great day.